Oh, there's actual mold in the cup holder, mate. You know what? I've already just taken the pictures for the advert, man. Nah, that's outrageous. I had the jump leads in it, so I've got to do it again, mate. I forgot. Live behind the scene, get a photo of the Digi Dash. You're probably thinking, why have I even bothered with this scrappage? So this car was on for 700. I'm looking at this exact spec and mileage in my area. They're on for about, well, they're on for 900, but that doesn't mean that people are actually getting 900. I picked this up for pounds. Cosmetically, it's a bit yeah, whatever, it's rusty, and the battery's dead, which worked in my advantage because the battery on this is 40 quid, and I used that to get it for such a cheap price. And it's fully spec'd, mate. Name one spec that it hasn't got. Look at that, mate. Everyone's got a Ford, a classic Ford, mate. We're rolling in your granddad's whip for Bants, mate, and you think we're not winning? Nearly smashed my pride and joy. Oh, is there like a classic Ford me? Bro, you can't even hate. I feel like Ford is so wank these days, but back in the day, Ford was on smoke. Ford has made some good cars. I'm not saying these are good cars, but oh, do you see that pile of leaves over there? No, he's digging up scrappage, mate. Might as well dig me up. Autumn leaves when the grass is jewel and the silk inside a chestnut shell. As you can see, I don't want to break the law. We've got 47 minutes on the insurance. Oh wait, no, it's breaks the law to hold that. Okay, we've got 47 minutes on the insurance. Is that a body? What was I saying? Yeah, it's been nominated for a good old-fashioned test run. But I'm not even joking. When I bought the car, I ruined my fancy Montclair coat with... Bro, the car had like blood and beard hairs on it. I'm not even joking. Don't know who owned this before me. Peter Bloody Sutcliffe. Never driven a Fiesta, you know. Never. Obviously I've driven the computer mouse Fiesta, but not this old school nail. Isn't it the gear knob looks like a ball sack? Like, actually, feels like one as well. Oh, come on, traffic light. What do you reckon? Ford Fiesta. Cheaper than a train ticket, innit? This probably looks so dodgy from the outside. Yo, who does that Mondeo think he is, mate? I'm about to hop in the overtaking lane. Yeah. We're on smoke, lads. We was literally on smoke on the way back from buying this. Can't get bloody overheated, mate. Look at me, though, bro. I'm actually being consistent. I'm being consistently shit, but I am, you know what I mean? I'm here every day. That's a nice number plate. Should have had it on my car the way I pulled that stunt. Woo-hoo. Thing is, you've got to do it quite hard, but if you do it too hard, then the whole, you know what I mean? The whole mechanism falls out, mate. Take bloody gearbox with ya. That smells of shit. Why would you get one that smells of actual poo? Why would you not just be easy to poo in the car? I mean, dead serious. Someone paid for poo. For a free sauce, mate. Are you a shake in Dubai about paying for poo? You boys ready for this launch? I'm actually going to give it my best shot. I'm going to reduce drag resistance with the window there, mate. Actually decent. It's not even that slow. I'm not even sarcastic. Compared to a lot of the stuff I've bought, Yaris I bought, a blue one ages ago. My foot is to the floor. And it's wank. Similar age, similar price. Obviously they're much better cars, but this is quicker. This handle's nicer as well. Yaris, Toyotas in general, they're a bit boaty. I don't understand, you said you never leave. Gotta make sure it's ready for the next customer, innit? For the new keeper. As for the car in general, like not even like my specific car, very good visibility. The handling is good at low speeds. Obviously it's not a sport car, so it's not gonna have the suspension to take it nice at high speeds. The grip could be better, but then again that's ultimately on the tyres, not really the car. Pretty easy to drive. It's not gonna have your ABS. I don't know if it's got ABS or any driving aids or anything. You can't really tell on older cars because by then it's all usually knackered anyway, but does the job, to be honest with you, mate. And also, if you're interested in any of these cars, let me know, man. I'll be real, I'm not trying to really sell to a trader. If you're an actual customer who wants to buy it, then I'll give you a decent price. I'm happy to make anything above what I paid for it, to the point where it's worth it for me, as a return for watching my videos, mate. If you're a genuine supporter and you need this as a car, just let me know, innit? I'll do you a nice price. But just remember, sold is seen, mate. I don't even think that's a good idea, selling you like my cars, because then you won't be watching my videos for much longer after that, will ya? This guy's a scammer. He scammed me. Sold me a dinger. Oh mate, I nearly stalled. That would have been long. We'd have to jump start. That looks nice, doesn't it? Lowered, innit? I want to lower mine. I think the exhaust is blowing a bit, actually. Might have to duct tape that up before sale. Yo, if you are a fan and you're taking up on that offer of me selling you a car for a decent price, don't bother. It's a bag of nails. I don't wish it on anyone. See what I mean? It's nice and easy to heel and tow. Whoa. Right, I need to get used to the gearbox, I'm not gonna lie. You tell him, a little privileged kid, he's only driven 15 plate and newer. Handbrake's good on this. Woo! Yeah, it does the job, mate. Car stinks right now though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, that's enough for the test run. I don't want to blow my budget, innit? I'm not gonna lie, the way it's smelling, I ain't really got too much faith in the car. And then there's that. I think it's gonna be a nice mellow one today. Definitely not, because the smell is not smelling good. But it smells of red velvet cake in the oven. That's what it smells of. Which usually you're happy about, but not when you're driving, and then it's a bit like that. Suddenly I'm not a fan anymore. Also, I took some more consideration on what I said about people not buying my cars. They're coming to view them, they're not buying them. Someone even thought that they might have seen my videos, seen how the car's been treated, and that's put them off on buying the car. Fair enough, but I highly doubt Ian, who's 98, who's come to buy my Yaris, has seen the Rizzy videos. He just cares about Packy bashing, mate, not B-road bashing. Oh man, there's still people selling and making good money in these Birminghams and Bradfords and these other affluent areas. It's not every day we gotta rag it. Sometimes even this is fine. Genuine mellow drive. I've touched it up a bit. It looks better than what it looked like before. Yes, to some of you that are a bit more aware, this is the Volkswagen Golf R Lapis Blue. I thought it suits the car though, mate. There or abouts. And there was another ding. Look at that, mate. No mismatch whatsoever. 10 out of 10. And there was no ding there. I just spilt it. Onwards, mate. Can't take the windy roads very well, but you know what I mean, it's got windy windows. You know, like a new EQ, I don't even know the names of them, an electric vehicle. You think they're seriously gonna live? This car here, my mirror's not working, mate. Clear. This car is 18 years old, mate. It's older than some of you watching. This car's old enough to be wearing a mini skirt for Halloween. You think any electric vehicle is going to be around in 18 years? Nah, I don't think so, mate. Look at the ones that have been around for, I don't know when that Nissan Leaf came out. You know that first one that was butters? Which dickhead bought that? But you know that one's still about. There was one on auction recently, but the range is like 2, mate. You have to sit and charge it for 40 minutes. You get 2 miles out of it. You might as well walk at that point. And of course, the more serious and advanced reasoning, I think is just batty. I think it's gay having an electric one.